permission to record. Yes, for the whole writing task one. Yeah, the conclusion will be at the second paragraph, either for the line chart, for the pie chart, and then for the diagram, map type. Yes, I'm giving you the diagram right now as I gave you one to look. Did you look up for it? The diagram type?
Yeah,
Yes, okay, yeah. So it's a process, yeah, process that can be identified as three different process, yeah. So when you get the diagram and then you observe whether it is a parallel process, series process, or a cyclic process. For the cyclic process, it happens in the kind of like recycle things, yeah,
yeah.
recycle of the process of a natural movement, something that is commonly repeatedly happen again like a circle, yeah, because when you can identify in between those three, you have to put it in the overall in the second paragraph, yeah. Any other than that, for the paragraph one is this common. Introduction. Introduction where you state the name and then what are the process that you will be presenting, yeah. And by indicating like this one is a type of simple process or complicated process, and then like that. Then move to second paragraph. Yeah. In the second paragraph, you are expected to write the overview. In the overview, you don't mention at all the detail, yeah. Like never mention that there are seven stages which they were blah 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 blah. No, but just barely like this. Overall, there are seven stages or 10 stages in the process, beginning by blah 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 and then ending with blah blah blah. Or you can also mention that the process happened from the preparation, the process until the ending process, like that. Yeah, but not mentioning the detail because that's what you are saving for the paragraph 3 and 4, yeah. To make the difference, yeah, between what's supposed to be stated in paragraph 2 instead of doing repetitive information that you have to avoid, right? Yeah, there's supposed to be no repetitive information at all in IELTS writing, but the difference from all of the type in the writing task 1, for the diagram you cannot miss a single step. You have to explain all, yeah. But you also cannot add other information, yeah.
Okay.
So when it's stated and then like that. Okay. So the sample is there, yeah. And then I would like you to try to do this one. In the meantime, you can just ask me for any information that you need, yeah. Link
Right.
keyword or any, yeah. Let's try to make it 20 minutes, sir.
Okay. Right
No.
now?
Yes, right now start. Now it's 703, yeah, 703, and then it's gonna be 723 ending. I will write in chat.
Okay.
1903. Adding up while you are doing, yeah. We always make sure that we split all the diagram into 3 steps, yeah. The preparation, for example here, and then the process itself, and then the ending one,
Okay.
like that, yeah. In this way, you can make sure that you can use 3 different tenses at least. Past for the preparation, present for the process itself, and then future. That if you are aiming band 7, sir. Yeah.
Okay. By the way, Miss, can we use a number?
Sorry, can we what?
Can we use a number? Number.
Number? No, no.
Okay.
But you can say first, second, like that. No number. Uh, are you aware of the passive voices, sir?
Sorry.
Are you aware of passive voices like diambil and mengambil is different?
Diambil dan mengambil. Ya, ya, ya.
Yeah, okay. But mostly that they will appear in passive voice.
So passive voice will be on
Yes, the major of the sentences in the writing task one for diagram type.
Okay.
Mr. Pasa, how many
Yeah.
total session that you are taking? 12 sessions? The
Sorry.
total one. The total one from the very beginning. How many total
Um,
session of a package?
I think it's 7 for I think it's the sixth one right now.
That means the total is 12
10.
sessions, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Also, I think after this we are going to deal with the speaking test. Speaking, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, Miss, can you slide it down? I can't see for the last one.
I make it kind of like,
I mean, like, I can see what number 10 is.
yeah.
Okay.
With no clue as to why Will kept disappearing, Anna often had contacting his friend. Seeing him gone. Text messages, she's reaching out to his friends. Do you know where he is? What's going on? She's becoming suspicious. Where is he going? What is going on at this time?
Oh, this is not 1903. It's supposed to be 1923. We we are passing our time.
Okay.
Did you manage already for paragraph?
It's still 3 paragraphs.
Send me first, yeah, while I'm giving us also the insight, and then you can continue. Let me see first. Yeah. And I will perform also on board. Yeah, I got it from the chat. Mm, Mr. Pasa, I will give you this one, yeah, for the paragraph one, sir.
Okay.
So usually, yeah, because this is a type of formal writing, yeah, then they have kind of like typical of how to introduce uh, certain data, yeah, and then they are using this as a starting, and then how to present the type of the diagram. Today is diagram type, yeah. Next time probably table, fig, or any other than that, yeah. So you can just choose in between this, make it bigger for you, yeah. Like for example, the given diagram shows the comparison of blah blah blah, or the,
Okay.
diagram depicts the process of blah blah blah, yeah. These are typical up here for the writing task one, yeah, for any type. So expectation is that we use this, yeah. Of course, it doesn't have to be kind of like must be all used, yeah. But for the introduction, usually yes, like this. Okay, this is a variant of it, which I will be giving this one also to you, yeah. Because I just see your first paragraph, yeah. First paragraph, you directly go into the point, which the expectation, we kind of like giving introduction every time we write something. Put N in the beginning, yeah.
Hmm.
And appear everywhere here, sir.
Sorry, boss.
And later on, after, meanwhile, when other after the last process, yeah, we can change with variant of expression, yeah. I think I gave you kan di WhatsApp ya, ada list of link.
Cuman Zoom aja sih, Miss. Sorry.
Ada list of linking tadi. Before we begin our class, I send list of linking words. Intinya sih when you have time, baca-baca aja tuh yang the one that I sent ya, untuk oh ini gitu. Because busy people sometimes what they need is just reading.
Oh, yeah.
Heeh. Pokoknya forbidden aja, pakai linking word yang sama tuh, ya.
Okay.
Linking word yang sama forbidden, repetitive information forbidden.
Oh, you have two more like variative is it?
Iya, heeh. There are varied of linking words ya. Yang untuk conclusion apa, yang untuk proses apa. When you're done, directly send me.
Can I use but, Miss, in the first sentence?
No, in the first sentence, no, but you can change with however.
How about before
However,
that?
in contrast,
Before that?
before that, as you put in the second paragraph that one, yeah, my suggestion better
Oh,
if you put overall. However, or instead of, yeah, but can be in the middle of the sentence, yeah, but not in the first word as a sentence.
the last paragraph itu hanya the last process, right, Miss?
Mm. Actually, it's a choice. You put the preparation in the third paragraph, and then the process and the ending at the last paragraph, or last paragraph only the ending process. It doesn't matter actually. Yeah, as long as it shows 3 steps: preparation, process, and ending.
Then, Miss, I'll send it on the Zoom chat, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Nggak bisa. Aku kirim
Too
lagi.
long. Yeah, if it is too long, cannot. Better in the WhatsApp, sir.
By the way, I changed the composition of the paragraph, Miss.
Also, new one. Right. Mr. Pasa, I need also the OTP code from you.
The OTP code right now?
Yes.
Okay, wait. I'll open the
I
website.
mean, we will do double, yeah, from the last time session and now. Last time we didn't do, right? Because of
Oh,
the,
yeah.
yeah.
Are we going to process it now or at the end of the session, Miss?
Just do it now. Yeah.
Okay.
Because we have to do twice. I remember last time session we didn't do the OTP because it turns out that it's supposed to be, we cannot have our session actually because they start the holiday, the admin. You remember?
Yeah.
Uh,
Oke, Miss. 4759.
4, 7, 5, 9. Let's see. Yeah.
Sukses.
Then we'll do the one today at the end. Yeah. Right. So let's analyze your writing. Help me out. Where is your third paragraph, sir?
Wait. Just separate the first of all from the second paragraph, Miss.
First of all, oh,
Yeah.
then the last one in this
The other one
process.
is the
In
before the beans get transported to the
before
factory.
oh, okay. Are you sure?
Hmm.
Okay. Quite long here, the final, yeah. But no problem. That I haven't checked anyway. Let's see. We begin, yeah. As we see from the picture above, it is a process of how chocolate is made and distributed. And I will elaborate all the process in details in the next paragraph. Okay. The one. Any other than this is okay. You mentioned already the title. And yeah, and then give the opening statement. The consistent of paragraph also already good. 2 or more sentences. Yeah. Because you can't make paragraph only by once. Even it is one long sentence cannot. Yeah. So when you are stuck with the idea, how to create 2 sentences, you better think about splitting your long sentences into 2 sentences like that. The strategy. Yeah. Now the overview. Before I elaborate the process in detail, we can see there are 3 stages in this process: preparation. It's about the coma. Before I elaborate the process in detail, we can see there are 3 stages in this process, which are like that, sir.
Okay.
Hmm,
Miss, screen recordnya hilang, Miss.
yeah. I pressed the wrong button. Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Yeah, here we go. Before I elaborate the process in detail, we can see there are 3 stages in this process. You can do like this. Yeah, it's okay. Preparation, process, and the ending. For the beginning process of preparation, there are 3 steps before it will go to the next process. Then for the second one, we better erase the N in here, yeah. Then for the second one is the process of how to make the chocolate itself. This stage has many processes rather than other stages. It has 6 processes. The last one, or we can change it to lastly. Yeah, there's options. Lastly, or finally, is how the chocolate liquid is produced. Good. Then we move to the detail, yes.
Yeah.
I mean, this will be the preparation process. First of all, the cocoa tree is grown in America, Africa, and Indonesia. Is it mentioning, sir, in here?
Sorry?
Oh yeah, it is mentioning America, Africa, and Indonesia. I didn't notice. The top one has the information. This one, sir.
Oh, yeah.
I thought this comes from your idea. And after the pots are just directly after the pots are harvested, we have to
Okay.
wait until the beans are fermented. Hmm. Yes, since here after, better we change it into later. Later it is already fermented. It's considered as repetitive information. This one already, yeah, no need to repeat again later. And then directly to here, sir. Yeah, because the fermented and everything related to fermented already in the before sentence. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. We have to spread the white beans in the sun to dry, or we have to dry up the white beans under the sun. Is it done for the preparation process?
Yep.
Spread the sun. Okay. And then you begin the process itself, yeah? The process itself. First, before the beans get transported to the factory, the beans will be put in large sacks. Good. From this process, the cocoa beans will be processed by many machines before it becomes a liquid. Many machines I consider better, yeah, several.
Okay.
Several type of machines
Oh, yeah.
before it becomes a liquid. In this process, the beans will be roasted and crushed by the shell remover machine. Good. Then the cocoa bean will finally be a chocolate liquid by an inner press machine. Yes. There is no distribution, yeah? Right? I have no comment about your what was that? The final one, yeah? Only the one that the process itself. Considering, sir, when I see in here, the process quite short, yeah? Did you skip or no? Did you state number 6, sir? Transport by train or lorry?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
In where?
Before the beans get transported to the factory,
Before the bin?
the first sentence in the second paragraph. The first sentence in the last paragraph, I mean, sorry.
Oh, okay. Nah, iya di sini. So, it's obviously that it is explaining or giving you information that it is transported by train or lorry. Yeah, so it's better that you put that also.
Oh,
None,
okay, okay.
none of the things that they mention in the picture can be avoided. Yeah, so you put them in order you can add a little bit with linking words or verb that suitable. Yeah,
Okay.
transported by train or lorry is considered as something important to be put. Then get transported by by train or lorry. It add up also the number of words like that to the factory. And this beans crush and outer shell remove already mentioned.
Yep.
Roasted, crush, and remove that. Okay. Yeah. My consideration, the scores are, this is still 5.5.
Uh,
Only adding, but the structure already good. Yeah, that's really thing. This you can manage with changing from bar graph last time and then into the diagram. It's not much different. And then you present the passive voice also in a good one. Only it needs more touch of linking words as well as presenting several verb that is replaceable, synonym of verb. So kind of consider, let's see, we have to wait, until the beans are fermented. How can we change the word wait with other verb, Now we dry up the beans like that. Or the beans were fermented. It can be directly like that,
Right.
Up is because there is no person in here. Consideration like that. That's why in the diagram we have to put lots of passive voice, The subject were not seen in here, okay. Unless there are people in the given picture, Simple one. And another thing that we take, put, like the beans will be put in large sacks. It can be gathered or will be put there or stored or compiled like that as variant only. This one also, if you would like to transform, can be. This is another step, to make our writing transform. Turn.
Oh yeah, turns to liquid.
Blah blah. That's the next step. So if you can manage to do that in the last 5 minutes, it can improve your scoring, your band. Okay.
So overall 5.5 miss.
Still 5.5, and reduce the use of n, replace with n other linking words, and then it's going to be great. And of course 20 minutes is 20 minutes. So today you are
Serius, by the way, jadi 5.5 because nggak selesai.
no 5.5. I consider it's finished, it's finished, pokoknya udah 4 paragraf, tapi ini lebih ke konten, quality-nya. Number of words-nya udah oke, 150, tapi lebih ke quality of the writing-nya. Dan itu yang caranya kayak gitu, present many tenses, Nah, ada consideration like this. When you are splitting into three, ini kan 3 stages, 3 stages. Yang preparation-nya pakainya past tense. Past tense atau past continuous. Terus the process itself, you make it in present or present continuous. Either active voice or passive voice, it depend, Nah, kalau yang tadi udah bagus banget tuh, yang endingnya, it's future, Kalau ini kan masih present,
Ya.
Nah, itu nanti ganti tuh jadi past gitu. Tapi ini hanya boleh kalau dia, ini prosesnya series proses, So, before I elaborate the series process, gitu, in detail, karena harus ada dia kategorinya apa, series proses, parallel proses, or cyclic proses.
Oke.
Biasanya, commonly, kita nggak pakai ini, tapi kita pakai overall. Gitu. I send this to your WhatsApp as the edited one. Okay, and quite clear, yeah. So we stop for the writing task one. We shall go to the speaking test. Speaking test consists of 3 tasks, sir. First task is self-introduction.
How long will be, Miss, usually?
The longest 18 minutes, the longest, yeah. So it's gonna be relaxed and then pay attention, being detailed in the tenses, singular, plural, like that. And more important, really understand the questions, yeah. Do not get misinterpretation of the question. If you are not sure, you are allowed to say, is this about this, like that, just to make sure, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but not suggested, okay. Instead of being doubt, yeah, better ask. My new slide already present to you. Is it already, sir?